Oh, your girl just woke up. You ain't know the vibes. Haley, where you at? Your girl just woke up. Wash your face, brush your teeth. Oh my god, my skin looks and period. Okay, but I'm about to style my clip-ins. So we finna rip off my bonnets and show my braids. My sisters are being loud. Oh my god, my camera is moving. Oh my god. Okay, so here I have my Zuki braids. Oh my god, Zuki braids. Gas me. Why are you guys chatting so much? The audience is being too loud today, so we don't have to turn it off. didn't want to bore you all to death with me styling the clip-ins, so we're going to get into the pros and cons now in the midst of me doing my hair. So we're going to start with the pros. Number one, a big pro is that is on Amazon Prime, and it is not super expensive. I got 18 inches in the only shade that they offered, natural black, and it came with 7 clips. I thought it was 10, I don't know why, but it came with 7 clips, as you saw in the beginning, 1 with 4 clips, 2 with 3 clips, 3 with 2 clips, and 1 single clip extension. So those are the first 2 pros. Is it's on Amazon Prime and it's not super expensive. You can get longer extensions for the low, which is bomb. The third pro is that after I brushed it out, it fit my natural hair pretty well. I could rock a bun or whatever and people would be like, you know, that's her hair. So I really liked that the texture was malleable and it didn't just stay, you know, 4A and super loose and wavy. The fourth pro I would say is that I love to take in and take out my hair. So with clip-ins, that is such a bonus. These clip-ins were super easy to just put on, take off, put on, take off, and they blended pretty well with my hair, so I was pretty proud of that. So now let's move on to the cons, because that's what everybody loves to hear about when it comes to a review. So I've been wearing these for about 2.5 weeks now. I filmed this video a while ago, a little bit ago, when I first got them, maybe about 3.5 weeks ago. But I really wanted to make sure that when I made this video, the clips were worn and broken in, alright? Okay. Because I hate watching videos when it's just the initial review and it's a bunch of happiness and, you know, rainbows. But this is the real tea, y'all, because I have just been throwing down these clip-ins, you know, taking them in, taking them out. I've washed them 2 times in total in the span of 2.5, 3 weeks, 2.5, 3 weeks. And they still are holding up pretty well. As soon as I put the shampoo and conditioner in, they are ready to go, girl. They are ready to go, and I love it. It is so bomb. But the cons, let's stay on topic. Make me focus, y'all. Make me focus. So the cons are, number one, that it is not a Kinky Curly bundle. Duh. Like, I wanted a Kinky Curly bundle, but I don't have the money for the better length extensions. Number 2 is the clip construction. I did not have a problem with the wefts. I would say those are a pro, but the clips that they used are not as strong or as sturdy. The video that I watched about these clip-ins were saying that, you know, it stayed in place and she didn't have any problems, but I had some problems. You know, they would, like, a couple would come out, not fully come out, lol, like my hair was not falling out, but a few would come out, like the clips would get a little bit loose and I'd have to snap them back in. They weren't so noticeable because I had them, like, you know, stacked on top of each other, and I make sure that I have my little security, if you know what I mean. I'm not just gonna go outside looking crazy. So the cons are, number 1, that it is not Kinky Curly extensions, so it doesn't fully match my hair. Number 2 is the clip construction. They're not sewn down super properly, and they are not the strongest hold. Maybe my hair is just super thick, but you guys can test it out yourselves. Number 3 would be the color. The color is a natural black, but like in the sun, it has brown hues. If I'm far away from the camera, then, you know, I can bypass. And I'm pretty tall, so people won't really tell. But if you're really looking, then you will see a difference. So if you really care about that, then just be aware of that. And I would say that's about it. It's not super knotty and tangly. I did get a little bit of shedding, and because I haven't been treating them maybe the way I should have been treating them, I'm just really grateful that these are not a bust. The last time I washed them, some of the color was coming out. So if you guys have concerns with that, I just wanted to put that out there. I bought these clip-ins myself. I'm not reviewing them for no money. This is not sponsored. So I want to give the real tea and the real truth, all right? And everything that I said will be listed on the screen as well as in the description box. I will put the link for y'all. But these clip-ins, as far as being my first curly clip-ins, I really liked. I'm going to try and get a synthetic pair of clip-ins to try and see what the difference is, if I like the synthetic better than these human ones. So I've been letting my hair rest for how many hours now? It is 8 o'clock. So I've been letting my hair rest for at least 9 hours or so. So I'm letting it set. I think I'm just gonna take it out in the morning and then show y'all. So I just brushed everything up tighter, put some bobby pins. For the meantime, I'm gonna wrap my hair. So we're taking off our wrapping. Okay.
Amber, you're in my way.
Jingle.
You're sitting on my charger. Get off.
Okay.